Tracking this thunderstorm that bloomed over 281 about an hour ago, and it's now moving across the I-10 corridor right over 410. In fact, right on top of us here in the medical center at KENS 5. You can see Helotes getting covered and is starting to move down into Leon Valley as well. Now, a special weather statement was issued. So what the National Weather Service will do is issue a statement concerning what this storm is doing. It's moving southwest at about 20 miles per hour. It is producing winds of about 30 to 40 miles per hour and some small hail. So both of those are beneath the criteria for severe thunderstorm warning, but they meet criteria for what is a special weather statement. You can see a lot of lightning in this, and something I can always point out, and I always do when I have the opportunity. Notice how some of these bolts are pretty far away from the actual thunderstorm. This is always when I say, when thunder roars, get indoors. Look at these flashes of lightning. Not even getting any rain out here, but you can see some of that lightning occurring. Again, when thunder roars, get indoors. If you can hear thunder, lightning can strike where you're standing. It does not have to be raining, okay? Thunder only happens when it rains, right? Great song, but not true. Okay, so anyway, right on the I-10 corridor, you can see that is the heaviest rainfall right now, dropping into Leon Valley, into a very densely populated area, 410, Leon Valley, down to 151 pretty soon as well. Here's the hail core, and I'll tell you, it's a pretty sizable one. Let's get in here and go to street level and show you what we've got. Here's Balcones Heights, there's Wurzbach, and you can see this is 410 right here. So 410 at Callahan is where we're getting the strongest, or I should say the largest hailstones. This is probably going to be upwards of about almost golf ball size hail. That's going to be probably the size, again, south of Wurzbach heading towards Callahan. There's Culebra, and what is that? That's Benrus Boulevard. Don't know that one, but anyway, it's going to be crossing over and going inside the loop here pretty shortly. Now, farther out to the west, we fly out, and you can see that a severe thunderstorm warning has expired for Maverick County, so that's good news as this flow continues from northeast to southwest. And again, this one isolated storm, northwest Bexar County, moving about 20 miles per hour. As long as the high is west, we're going to see more rain develop because we're on the outside of its influence. So we're getting these upper level waves to move in this northwest flow aloft. That's why everything's coming in from East Texas and moving southwest. That's the moisture source, Louisiana, East Texas, and there's plenty more precipitable water in the forecast. So that's why we've got more storms waiting for us on Wednesday afternoon, and then again on Thursday afternoon. I think we get a little bit more on Thursday. So even Wednesday, Thursday, both will have excessive rain, marginal risk of seeing some localized flooding. We'll be watching that closely. All right, KENS 5's exclusive 14-day forecast. The next 2 days and even this evening right now, a weather impact alert because we could see localized flooding with the right amount of rain in the right spot. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches possible in isolated areas, not widespread. Widespread maybe half an inch, but some localized spots could receive upwards of 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Rain chances start lowering as we get into the weekend. Notice we'll keep a 10 to 20% chance in as we begin next week. And then the final days of August will drop the rain chance heading into Labor Day weekend. We'll be right back.